Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Just real quick before we kick things off, today we're going to be going over the first real lesson of the class of the YTA method. I'm going to be breaking everything down for you that's in the video, and we're going to be going over it, and we're going to be telling you guys all about it. Okay, now before we kick things off, make sure that if you haven't subscribed to the channel that you go ahead, smash that subscribe button, stay in tune with the channel, stay in touch with me. That way you'll be able to watch all the videos as I upload them. I'm looking at maybe doing 1 to 2 a week because the process is a little bit time consuming. I have to watch the videos, I have to take notes from the videos, then I have to come up with what I'm going to say for the videos, and then I have to record the videos, and then I have to post the videos, so on and so forth. So I'm looking at doing 1 to 2 a week to keep you guys informed and keep you guys up to this. But like I said before, this is, $1,000 value that y'all are getting for free just by subscribing and watching the videos. So to go ahead and make sure you stay around for the whole video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the 3 types of traffic on YouTube. Now, the 3 types of traffic being on YouTube are known as the browse feature, the suggested videos, and the search feature. Now the browse feature, we're going to start off with that, is also known as the home page. The suggested videos is getting your videos at the ending of other people's videos. And the search feature is basically the search feature of YouTube. When you go in, you type in a title of a video that you're looking for or a topic that you're looking for, and it pulls up videos. Now, what your goal should be is to try to check off each of these 3 boxes for your channel and your videos. First off is the browse feature. Now, this is affected by the click-through rate and the average view time of your videos. So this means 2 things you need to focus on for the browse feature are the home page, sorry about that. What you need to focus on for the browse feature is the thumbnail and the title of your video. You need to have a thumbnail that is kind of out there, kind of wacky, colorful, grabs people's attention, and makes them want to click on your video. Also, the title. Sometimes you might want to have a catchy title, something that leaves them on a cliffhanger or something like that that grabs their attention of the title. That way they see that on the home page. Now, this is what they call the viral metric of YouTube, and you can go viral other ways, but this is what matters most for the people who have mastered thumbnails and titles. Now, also, getting into the viewer loop is also very important. This is also known as being suggested in other people's videos. So someone will click on a video about, say, Arizona iced teas, like that you can buy at the store for 99 cents, and they have a video about the Arizona iced tea, and somebody's watching that video, so they watch the whole video, and then at the end you have a video of an Arizona green tea. So when they watch the video, they're like, oh, well, look, here's a video about the green tea. I like the green tea better. Let's watch this video. So then what they do is they watch that video. You're in the suggested loop. So they're watching your video coming from another person's video. And this is also stealing their traffic from their channel and bringing that traffic to your channel and getting you the views, getting you the subscribers, getting you everything that you need. Now, so let's see where we're at here. And they just binge. This allows you to tap into the loops for other people's audiences and steal their audience and make them your own subscribers. Like I said before, this relies on making a video very much like someone else's, so you can jump into that niche with the audience that is already there. Also, we have the search feature. Now, search has been around since the beginning of Google. Everyone has went on to Google and looked something up and found it due to keywords. Now, keywords are very important here. If you're making a video, say, about the Dallas Cowboys and have the keyword Dallas Cowboys in your video, when someone searches for Dallas Cowboys, there's a chance that your video will pop up. Now, search isn't your main source of getting views. Think of search as a bonus and it shouldn't be your main focus. your main focus should be on the browse feature and in getting the loops, which is the suggested videos. Because if you master the browse feature, your thumbnail is perfect, your title is perfect, people are going to be clicking on your videos, and it allows the search to be kind of a bonus. People will still find your content that way, and it's great for your main source, but it's not your main source of traffic for your channel. Well, guys, that finishes up for the video. I hope that you can bear with me. I know I stuttered a few times. This is the first one that I'm recording live and putting out there for you guys. But I do want to remind you, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you leave comments, leave feedback. If you have questions, leave comments. I'll answer them, especially if I know the answer, of course. But also leave feedback. If there's something I'm not providing in a video that you'd like to see, let me know. If there's videos on something that's totally different from the YTA method that you'd like to see, let me know. And we'll see what we can do to grow the channel together as a family and stay more informed and, you know, just flourish together. But I do want to thank y'all for taking the time to listen to this video, and I hope it gave you some insight on the 3 types of traffic of YouTube and how you can attain those types of traffic. Thank you very much.